Most cars are made from around 30,000 parts. Here are a few more you might want to add to yours. Air bubble. Air purifiers are becoming increasingly popular around the world. Most of them are designed to purify the air in your home. The air bubble is an air purifier that purifies the air inside your car. At the moment, around 4.4 billion people live in cities, and that figure is expected to grow to 7 people out of every 10. As we're driving our cars around these cities, pollutants in the air are entering our vehicle. The air bubble filters out these pollutants, giving you clean air in your car to breathe. Its manufacturers claim that the advanced HEPA filtration and nanocarbon technology remove 99% of airborne pollutants. It will filter out vehicle emissions, allergens and pathogens, such as COVID-19. It attaches to your headrest, and once you turn it on, it will begin cleaning the air in your car. Now you can breathe fresh air inside your car, even in heavy traffic situations. Hammock hitch stand. If you enjoy the great outdoors, and you're looking to take your leisure to a whole new level, then this is the product for you. The hammock hitch stand from Hammocker is a portable hammock that attaches to any standard 2-inch hitch receiver. Now you can take your hammock with you, wherever you go. Setup is super easy, and you only need one wrench. There are 2 different configuration options. You can either set up 2 hammock chairs, or you have the ability to hang a regular hammock. The price is $250. Here's a question for the comments. Which one of these products is your favorite? Leave your answer in the comments below. If you're enjoying this video, give us a like. And consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss future content. Over 800,000 break-ins happen every year in the USA. That's a break-in every 36 seconds. We often carry valuable items in our cars, such as mobile phones and laptops. And with the rise in break-ins, we need some way to effectively protect our valuables. This is why Boosted created the Boosted Safe. The casing of the safe is made from solid steel, and it's strong enough to withstand the G-forces of a car accident. The safe is securely attached to your car's universal car seat anchors. And the only way to remove the safe is to unlock it, and unclip the anchors from the inside. As an added feature, the safe comes with a cover, which transforms the safe into a booster seat. I imagine you'll need a cushion on top to make it more comfortable. But it's certainly a good way to hide the safe from view. Lanmodo car tent. If you need to leave your car outdoors for long periods of time, you might have used a car cover before. However, car covers can be cumbersome to put in place and remove. The Lanmodo car tent makes protecting your car a breeze. It takes just 30 seconds to install, and at the press of a button the tent expands in just 8 seconds. All you need to do is place the tent on the roof of your car and clamp down the suction pad using the lever. There's also a security strap that you can attach to prevent the tent from being stolen. Once the tent is in place, it's strong enough to handle winds of 25 km/h. 6 additional tie-down straps are included in the package, giving the tent even more stability in strong winds. As you can see from the video, the car tent dramatically reduces the temperature of your car. Not only does the car tent protect your car from the heat, but it will also protect your car from the cold. With the car tent in place, snow and hail simply bounce off. Take a look at the other car in the video and the amount of snow built up on its roof. The solid shield. If you own a 4x4 and you like to go off-roading, here's a gadget you might want to keep in your car. It's a simple device that helps your car with traction when you get bogged in sand. The metal shield is placed on the tire and strapped into place. Then as you drive off, the shield provides extra traction and frees you from the sand. When you're done, it's just as easy to undo the strap and remove the shield. Ice car cushion. Have you ever parked your car in the sun and couldn't sit down because your seat was so hot? I'm sure you have. The ice car cushion will keep your seat cool even on the hottest of days. The device actually uses a water circulation cooling system. The system is so efficient, it takes just 30 seconds to bring down the temperature of your seat. You'll need to fill the 400 milliliter tank before you begin. Then plug it into your 12-volt socket and turn it on. The pump circulates cool water through the cushion, lowering the temperature. The cushions are fully waterproof and have an anti-skid layer underneath to prevent you from sliding around on your seat. GoVee LED light strip. Normally you'd buy an LED light strip to put in your home. But this guy had the clever idea of installing the light strip in his car. The light strips can be stuck underneath the glove compartment to light up your car's footwells. The great thing about these lights is that you can use the controller to change the color. Now you can customize the nighttime look of your car. Let us know in the comments if you've done something similar. Staying with the theme of LED lights for your car, here's the Underbody LED light strip kit from Autolampara. The kit comes with 4 LED light strips that you can attach to the underneath of your car. The lights are waterproof and can change the color of the lights using the remote control. The light strips are flexible so you can attach them to a curved surface. There's even a music receiver to make the lights flash and change color to the sound of the music you're playing. Now you can turn your car into the ultimate party vehicle. Well done for making it to the end of the video. Be sure to check out the rest of the channel and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you in the next one.